Alright, graphing a line in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Now, m and b are the important aspects of this thing. M, of course, is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. Now, it's often written as 0, comma, a number, or the number b here. So let's look at some of these. Do a couple of examples here. A, y is equal to negative 5/3 x plus 4. As for the y-intercept first, and of course the y-intercept is b. So b here is the point 0, 4. The slope is negative 5/3. Now, in order to graph this line, what you do first is plot the y-intercept at 0, 4. And then you're going to use the slope. Now remember, slope is rise over run. All right, so in this case, we have a negative 5/3 slope. So my rise is 5. If I go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, do I run left or right? Well, the thing is since I have a negative slope, I got to make sure that my line is going to be sloping down from left to right. So when I go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm going to go left 3 to make sure that I have a negative slope. All right. Another way to do it is from the y-intercept, from B. If I was to go down 5, I would go left 1, 2, 3. Because down is negative and right is positive. Excuse me. Did I say left? I think I meant right. Since down is negative and right is positive, positive divided by negative is negative. Up is positive and left is negative. Positive divided by negative is negative. And that's where this line comes from. Oops, I missed a point. All right, let's do another example here. Y is equal to 8 plus 3x. Now, first thing he's asked for is b, the y-intercept. Now, just because it's not in y is equal to mx plus b form strictly, b is the number, is the constant. It's the number by itself, oftentimes called the starting point. The starting point here is the point, 0, 8. The slope here in this case is positive 3. Now, another way to write 3 is slope we like as a fraction, so we can do rise over run. So this would be 3 over 1. Anyway, so plot 0, 8 first. And our slope is 3 over 1. So our rise is 3. 1, 2. But here's the thing. Rise in 3 takes us off the grid. But up 1, 2, 3 would take us to about 11 and right 1. So we get an idea of where it's at, but we ran out of room to put another dot. Instead, what if I went down 3? 1, 2, 3. Then I would have to go left 1. Again, negative divided by negative, down negative divided by left negative is positive. So make a bunch of these points. Down 1, 2, 3, left 1. 1, 2, 3. Left 1, and just check your line. Make sure from left to right your line is traveling up. So we have a positive slope. All right. Then the last one we have here, y-intercept says minus 7, so it's 0, negative 7. Our slope. Now the slope is the number in front of x. What number is in front of x? If nothing is there, that means a 1 is there. So our slope is 1, or 1 divided by 1. Rise of 1, run of 1. So plot our b, 0, negative 7, with a positive slope, which means I'm going to go up 1, I'm going to go right 1. Make sure your line is going positive. Up 1, right 1. Or if I go down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. And this third line would look something like that. And that is how you graph slope-intercept form.